Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is sentences and its functions. Friends, in my last video I have given a short description of all the types of sentences. So today let us discuss the functions of it. The first kind of sentence is the assertive sentence. In the assertive sentence, we will find lots of its functions, and it is used in giving informations. For example, the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. It is used in defining things. For example, a novel is a long printed story about imaginary characters and events. Clear? Then again, we can use assertive sentence in classification of the things. Here I have given an example. You can see it. Then again, it is used in expressing abilities. For example, I can ride a bike. This is an ability that you can ride a bike. It shows one person's ability to do something. Clear? Then again, assertive sentence is also used in giving permission. For example, you may use my car. That means I have given you a permission to use my car. So these are the functions of assertive sentence in detail. We can use it in these kinds of ways. Now come to the interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence means asking questions. Okay. So its first function is about that it is used in asking informations. As I have given an example, which is the best means of transport to go to Delhi. I want to know which is the best means of transport to go to Delhi. So I want to get the information. Clear? Another function is it is used for asking for somebody's opinion. Example is given here. Then it is also used in asking someone's permission. For example, may I come in, madam? Okay. Then it is also used while requesting something from someone. For example, I have given, could you please lend me your book? That means you are requesting someone to lend you that person's book. So you are requesting. In a way you are also asking, but you are asking in a form of request. Okay. Then another function is it is also used in expressing doubts. Suppose you have doubt in your mind. You can ask or you can make this statement in form of a question. For example, who knows when he will come? That means who knows? No, we cannot say the exact time of his coming. So we will select this. Who knows when he will come? And its another function is it also used in confirming a doubt. For example, are you sure about this? That means you want to confirm about something. So you are using, are you sure about this? So this is the functions of interrogative sentence. Clear? The third form of sentence is imperative sentence. And its definition is discussed in my last video. So let's discuss its functions. So its first function is it is used in ordering or commanding. For example, get out from here. This is an example of ordering. Secondly, it is used in requesting someone about something. For example, please give me a glass of water. So the example itself explains you about its functions. Alright. Then it is used in advising. For example, work hard to get success. Then it is also used in suggesting someone. For example, you can make a timetable for your studies. Then again, it is also used in prohibition. If someone stops you from doing something, then also you find imperative sentence in it. For example, do not go to that house without my permission. So here, someone is prohibiting you to not to go to that house. Okay. So these are the functions of imperative sentence, where you will find orders, commands, suggestions, advices, etc. The fourth kind of sentence is the optative sentence. In the optative sentence, its functions are like this, that it is used in wishing or desiring something, For example, wish you good luck. Here someone wishes. When anyone wishes about someone, then we find optative sentences. Another function is it is used in praying. Someone prays for your good health. Someone prays for your bright future. Here example is given, may you live long. So it is a form of praying. Okay. Now come to the fifth kind of sentence, that is the exclamatory sentence. What is the exclamatory sentence? As discussed in the previous video, it is an expression of joy, sorrow, that is our emotions. Okay. So its functions are that it expresses joy, sorrow, wonder, pity, disgust, etc. Examples are, hooray, we won the match. It is an example of joy. Then again, alas, she is no more. This is an expression of sorrow. Poor fellow, how helpless he is. This is an expression of pity. Okay. Then expressing someone's disgust. For example, how funny he looks or how funny she looks. This is an example of disgust. You are showing your disgust through this kind of sentence. Okay. Again, another function of exclamatory sentence is that it is used in greeting someone. When you greet someone also, then also you find exclamatory sentence. For example, hello everyone, how are you? Like this. Or good morning, good afternoon. This kind of greetings. Another function is that it is used in also you are showing farewell to someone. For example, goodbye. This is an example of showing farewell. Clear? So I have discussed all the kinds of sentences in details along with the examples in this video, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment box.